In this video, I will show you how to download the Duolingo app on your PC or laptop. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Keep in mind that you need to use Microsoft Edge for this method. If you don't have it installed, you can download it by searching for Microsoft Edge Download on Google Chrome. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, go to the official Duolingo website by searching for duolingo.com in the address bar. After you're on the Duolingo website, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Apps, and you'll see the Install Duolingo option. Click on it, and then select Install. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to use Duolingo as an app on your PC or laptop. However, you may notice that the Duolingo app doesn't automatically appear on your desktop. To fix this, open the Duolingo app, click the three dots in the top right corner, and select App Settings. From here, simply click Create Desktop Shortcut. Once you do that, the Duolingo app will be added to your desktop. And that's how you can download and add the Duolingo app to your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.